Hey friends, welcome back. Today we're talking about money, specifically nickels, and we're going to be counting some nickels. So, when we talk about our money and our coins, we're talking about cents. And what we use here, this is called the cent sign. It's a C with a line down the middle. So when we see this, we know we're talking about cents. All right, so let's get started here. Here is our nickel, and a nickel is worth 5 cents. And we would write that as decimal point 0.05 with the cent sign. All right, so 1 nickel, 5 cents. All right, next we have 2 nickels. And we're counting by fives, so 5, 10. And we would write that as decimal point 10 with the cent sign, or decimal point 10 cent sign. 2 nickels, 10 cents. All right, next we have 3 nickels. 5, 10, 15. That's 15 cents. Decimal point 15 with the cent sign, or decimal point 15 cent sign. So 3 nickels, 15 cents. All right, here's our next one. 4 nickels. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 cents. And we write that decimal point 20 cent sign, or decimal point 20 cent sign. 4 nickels, 20 cents. All right, how about you try this one at home? I'll point to the nickels and you go ahead and count them. We're going to go ahead and count 5 nickels. So what answer did you get? Yes, excellent, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 cents. Decimal point 25 with the cent sign. Decimal point 25 cent sign. 5 nickels, 25 cents. All right, 6 nickels. Again, I want to hear you count at home. I know you can do it. Okay, what was your answer? Awesome, 30 cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 cents. Decimal point 30 cent sign. Decimal point 30 cent sign. 6 nickels, 30 cents. Awesome. All right, now we have 7 nickels. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 35 cents. Decimal point 35 cent sign. Decimal point 35 cent sign. So 7 nickels, 35 cents. Guys are doing a great job of following along. All right, I want you to try this one on your own at home. All right, did you get 40 cents? Good job. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 40 cents. Decimal point 40 cent sign. Decimal point 40 cent sign. So 8 nickels, 40 cents. All right. All right, here's our next one. 9 nickels. All right, 9. I want to hear you guys count at home. All right, what was your answer? Awesome, 45 cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So 45 cents. Decimal point 45 cent sign. Decimal point 445 cent sign. So 9 nickels, 45 cents. All right, awesome. Here we go. 10 nickels. Guys ready to count at home? All right, what was your answer? 50 cents. Excellent. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 50 cents. Decimal point, 50 cent sign. Decimal point, 50 cent sign. So 10 nickels, 50 cents. All right, now we're going to go for 11 nickels. All right, here we go. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. 55 cents. Decimal point, 55 cent sign. Decimal point, 55 cent sign. So 11 nickels, 55 cents. All right, you guys are doing great. 12 nickels. All right, here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 60 cents. Decimal point 60 cent sign. Decimal point 60 cent sign. So 12 nickels, 60 cents. All right. Next one, 13 nickels. I want you to do this one on your own at home. Here we go. All right, did you get 65 cents? Awesome job. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. 65 cents. Decimal point, 65 cent sign. Decimal point, 65 cent sign. So 13 nickels, 65 cents. All right, now 14 nickels. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. 70 cents. So we would write that as decimal point, 70 cent sign, decimal point 70 cent sign. So 14 nickels, 70 cents. All right, 15 nickels. Woo, we're getting up there. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. 75 cents. We write that as decimal point, 75 cent sign, decimal point, 75 cent sign. So 15 nickels, 75 cents. All right, now 16 nickels. All right, my friends, you're going to count this one on your own at home. So what answer did you get? Yes, 80 cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. 80 cents. Decimal point 80 cent sign. Decimal point 80 cent sign. So 16 nickels, 80 cents. All right, now we're going to get into 17 nickels. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. 85 cents. Decimal point 85 cent sign. Decimal point 85 cent sign. Woo! So 17 nickels, 85 cents. All right, now we have 18 nickels. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. 90 cents. There we go. So we have decimal point 90 with the cent sign, decimal point 90 cent sign. So 18 nickels, 90 cents. All right, we're getting close to the end. We have 19 nickels. All right, here we go. Counting by fives again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 95 cents. That's decimal point 95 cent sign, decimal point 95 cent sign. So 95 cents, 19 nickels, 95 cents. All right, here we are. We're at the very end, our last one. 20 nickels. Are you guys ready? Count with me. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 100 cents. Or that's equal to $1. And we write that as $, because we're talking about dollars. We're going to use a $, 1 decimal point 00. So we have $1.00. So look at that. 20 nickels equals 100 cents. 20 nickels equals $1. All right, friends, I want to thank you for hanging out with me today and participating and following along. And until I see you again, have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye now.